Hey there, in this video I want to talk about the Crua monitor if you don't have sound and how you can fix that. Now the most important thing to know is that if your monitor actually has the speakers, only because many of these they have the speaker audio output or like speaker audio jack, and that means is that you can use the jack for, let's say, a JBL speaker, Bose, Sony speaker, whatever, but the monitor doesn't have the speaker itself. So this is the first thing to actually check from the back. If you have actually something there to control the volume, if you have something there to manage the speaker. If not, and you're going to find only the jack there, there's a probability that it doesn't have any speaker at all. And what you have to do is to take an aux, like a cable, and connect it with some kind of like speaker with like JBL. And maybe that is going to work out for you primarily. This is also the solution for different kind of monitors, but this is going to be the way how you're going to fix that. So check it from the back if you actually have the speaker there. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.